Looking for a way to share your favorite Spotify tracks with your friends on Facebook? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to add Spotify music to Facebook Story. Let's get started. First, open Spotify. Now select any song that you would like to share. Then above the like button, tap on Share icon. Here, you can tap on Edit at the top right. Then edit the background of the song that you like to. Then tap on Share. Now scroll up, then select Facebook Story. It will direct you to Facebook. Now tap on Share. And this is how you share Spotify music to Facebook Story. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.